Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. I can't wait to share another fun recipe with you. This one is perfect for these hot Texas spring days, and there are only 2 ingredients. I'm making ice cream. This is a really easy recipe. All you need are 2 ingredients. You need heavy whipping cream and sweetened condensed milk. From there, the flavor combinations are limitless. You can make chocolate. You can make vanilla. You could do peanut butter ice cream. Or how about pumpkin ice cream? Add fresh strawberries, fresh peaches, whatever flavor you like, you get to create it. But the base recipe is what I'm going to teach you today. So, if you watched my video on how to make butter, which if you haven't, check the comments, link below. All you need is a container with a tight fitting lid and something to go inside it like an agitator ball or some marbles, and you shake. Halfway through our butter making process, you get to whipped cream, which is what we need for this recipe. So, to start off, you add 1 container of heavy whipping cream to our bowl, because I'm going to do it in the mixer today. Pour this in here. I like to add just the tiniest pinch of salt, just because I think sweet things taste better if you give them a little bit of salt. And we're gonna whip this up to nice stiff peaks. All right, so we have beaten our whipped cream. As you'll see, we've got lovely, fluffy, whipped cream. Now you notice I didn't put any sugar in mine because we're adding sweetened condensed milk to this. Sweetened condensed milk is that flavor that just makes ice cream. And I think that 1 can of this adds just enough sweetness. If you want it sweeter, it's not my ice cream. Add a little bit more sugar to it. Just going to gently fold in the sweetened condensed milk. So pour this in here, and just kind of very slowly so that we don't take out all those lovely aerated bubbles that we added to our heavy whipping cream. We're just gonna kind of fold it in. I've pretty much got it all incorporated here. The thing that is really nice about this ice cream, you don't have to have anything special. You could actually just beat the whipped cream with a whisk, or like I said before, you can agitate it in a lidded container. This is a no-whip ice cream. It has a sort of gelato flavor and texture to it. So now that I've got it all incorporated, I'm gonna start building my ice cream. I'm gonna put just a little bit of my vanilla mixture in here. And then I'm gonna take good old-fashioned chocolate syrup. And I'm gonna do some fat drizzles in here. Just like that. This is another one of those projects that's really good helping kids learn to wait, because while the cooking part only takes about 10 or 15 minutes, the freezing part takes a while. Now, I've eaten this ice cream 4, 5, 6 hours after it was finished. It was kind of ice cream soup, I'm not gonna lie. But if you let it set overnight, it'll be perfect. So why not plan a picnic or a special afternoon and save the ice cream for then. So, got my ice cream. Pop out the bubbles. I'll put my lid on, put it in the freezer, and we'll check back in tomorrow to see how it turned out. It's been really hard, but we have waited overnight for our ice cream to freeze all the way. A good 6 hours, you'll get some nice soft serve, but if you want real ice cream, you need to wait overnight. My kids have been chomping at the bit to try some. If you remember, I did a chocolate swirl in my ice cream. I'm gonna open it up for you, and you can see right there, there's our yummy ice cream. I've got my trusty ice cream bowl. These are from my grandmother's house. I love these bowls because who doesn't need a handle with their ice cream? Ice cream scoop. And watch this. It's gonna scoop just like real ice cream. And it's gonna taste just like real ice cream. In fact, it's gonna taste a little bit like gelato, which is one of my favorites. And I don't know about you guys, but I miss going to Central Market and getting me some gelato and sitting out by the trees and the playscape. There we go. Nice big scoop of ice cream. But 2-ingredient ice cream. Who knew? Now for the most important part of any cooking experiment, the taste test. Guys, this is seriously good ice cream. You should go make some today. Bye for now. Tune back in for more In the Kitchen with Miss Lisa. Bye.